Hey guys, I'm so excited to give you a sneak peek into our brand new home. So the cool thing about our space is that we've combined our manual physical therapy practice with a complete mind-body studio so that we can offer you smaller class sizes, more hands-on care, and an overall healing experience. So our approach is holistic, meaning we look at you from head to toe. So our expert therapists can determine the root cause of your problem, and we can collaborate with our trainers and our instructors to give you a better experience so that you don't hurt yourself or have any setbacks during your workout. We offer yoga therapy, meditation, strength training, personal training, movement, and TRX. So because we treat holistically, we understand that it's not just the physical that you're here with your mind, your body, your spirit. And so we want our clients to have a better chance of connecting with the feelings, the sensations, the emotions that are held in our bodies. That's why we named it a mind-body studio. We found that by tapping into the mind-body connection, you can have more deep healing, better joy, vitality, and just live a better life.